What's up everyone? Today it's Wednesday. So as you can see now guys, I'm using a Suzuki Raider 150. It's an old breed type. And I love the sound of it. Hi.
Baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. You're
So I'm at the office. See you guys later. So interns, police interns. Buti pa sila nakagraduate na. O hindi pa rin nakagraduate sa kalokohan to. So earlier guys, merong mga LTO dun sa my old cathedral. There are some kamote. Oh, that's shit, man. That's, oh, they come. That's a LTO. So I don't know, I just get through them. So eto, merong kamoteng walang helmet. Tingnan natin kung merong bang magsasabi sa kanya na may LTO dun sa unahan. Oh, what the shit.
What the fuck?
Maybe he knew, but let's pass by. If I don't know, there I'll be oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of LTO there. Shit! If kung mahuli ka, tas region pa, magtawag ka na ng pwede mong tawagin, pero hindi ka makakawala sa ticket nila. And what the shit was that? What the hell happened? Fuck up. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and ride safe always. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe. Peace out. That feeling shit.